Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to grab attention for your music event, let's design a modern Facebook music poster in Photoshop. First of all, open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Then fill the background with a dark gradient or vibrant color. Import a high quality image of the artist, DJ or instruments. Cut out the subject using the quick selection tool and place it center stage. Then add a glowing neon or gradient shape behind the subject for depth. Insert the event title in bold, stylish typography. Now use the layer style like outer glow or gradient overlay for import. And then add event details like time, date, and venue below the title. Place social media icons or sponsor logos neatly at the